So what's up guys, this video just want to sharing how I clean my mining rig using air compressor. And this one oilless air compressor with 9-liter air tank. So they consume about like 550 watt, and I get this to clean my rig because I use the other gun cleaning is not very well, and the air coming out very hot. So I'm buy this to clean my mining rig, and this the component I get extra to make sure the air and the water is separate in here. This component you have to buy separately when you buy the air compressor. And the gun, this gun make me easy to clean the mining rig because the air focus in one area where we gonna spray the air. So this one I get around 750 USD, like 9-liter tank air they can keep it, and this more portable, so I can bring another place, or we can bring up and down in your house or my house if you buy this air compressor. So don't forget this part for the component to separate the air, because when you put the air in the tank and they're gonna have some water inside, because in the air they have water. So you have to buy this component to make sure the air and the water is separate. So now you can see in here the model for the air compressor. So it just only get 550 watt, and you can get this in maybe in a store, any store or marketplace. So 550 watt is good, because the other gun take like 400 watt too. This part just to make sure the pressure come out with your type of pressure you want it. This I show you how I clean my mining rig.